Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with ATBBQ.com, and this is Skillet Pizza Dip. Everyone loves a good party dip. Today we're going pizza style. So we've got multiple things going on here. We're gonna use pizza dough. We're gonna line the edges of a skillet with the pizza dough, put the dip in the middle, and then throw it in the wood-fired oven on the Yoder. Step one is we're gonna take our pizza dough and form it into balls. Now this is our classic ATBBQ pizza dough right here. 4 simple ingredients. You guys can go check out the full video on how to make that if you want to do it from scratch, or you can just grab some from the store. And what we're going to do is try to portion these into about 1.5 ounce portions. 1.5, first time. Now we're going to get some olive oil into our 12-inch skillet. We're going to roll up these portions of dough into balls. Just use one-handed, kind of use your thumb and the side of your hand to get that into a roll shape. So we'll do this with each one of these, probably take about 16 of them to fill up the pan. Now these need to proof again. They need to pop up. We need them to rise. So we're gonna throw some plastic wrap over the top, let them rise for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours, and then we're ready to build the dip. Luckily, I've got one prepared already. So that's what it looks like when it's fully proofed. Now we're gonna mix up our dip and put it right in the middle. The dip part's real easy, just 1 block of cream cheese and some mozzarella, about 1 cup. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of our Cattleman's Grill Italiano seasoning. Obviously this is easiest if your cream cheese is at room temperature, so go ahead and leave that out for a little while before you make this. So we're gonna land this right here in the middle, and then we're gonna top it off with some pizza sauce and pepperonis. We're gonna top it off now with some pizza sauce. We're using the Urban Slicer. This is fantastic sauce for canned pizza sauce. About 1 cup of that going right on top. Then we're gonna hit it with some more mozzarella. Let's do about a 1/2 cup here. Then we're gonna pile on about 4 ounces of pepperonis and then a little more mozzarella. Now the only thing left to do is we're gonna brush the outside with some garlic butter. 1/4 cup of butter, a couple tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna grate 1 clove into here on the microplane, and then I'll hand it over to Chef Mike to melt it down. Garlic butter melted down, going right on top of our pizza rolls. And just drizzle a little bit more right over the top. A little Parmesan. So this is going into the Yoder Smokers wood-fired oven at 450 degrees on the YS640. Here's just over 15 minutes. We've got a great crust on those rolls. You can see we're getting some browning on top of the cheese, so we're gonna pull these off. Let's check out our pizza dough here. Still crazy hot. Oh, it's got that like pan pizza crust on it. You can hear it. Nice and crispy because it's fried in that olive oil. So cooked all the way through. As soon as it's cool enough, I'm dipping it into this cheese sauce and shoving it into my face. I want a little bit of everything, so we're gonna get in here with a fork. I'd say cream cheese, weird addition to any pizza, but as a dip, it's kind of king. Works really well though. With the pizza sauce and the pepperoni. But man, the texture of this bread is just my favorite part. This pizza dough is lightly fried. Great crispiness on the outside. It's all over my face, isn't it? Still super soft and fluffy on the inside. I am who I am. I'm not ashamed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.